What if I tell you there's a Nigerian rice recipe that brings together the smoking richness of palm oil, the boldness of local spices, and the magic of grilled chicken all in one pot? Now, say hello to this mouth-watering concoction rice, also known as palm oil rice. Once you taste it, your regular rice will never be enough. Hello, the rich food lovers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, I bring traditional African flavors and intercontinental dishes to your screen and kitchen. And today, I'll be showing you how to make the ultimate Nigerian concoction rice. Simple, delicious, and perfect for any occasion. Let's get started. I am starting with 1 kilogram of chicken, properly cleaned and ready to go. I added it to a pot and then I'll toss in 1 big chopped onions, 2 teaspoons of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of thyme, and also 2 stock cubes. I will stir it well so every piece of the chicken will get coated with the spices. Take your time, make sure you stir properly. Next, I will cover the pot and let it cook on low heat so that the chicken can release its natural juices. This step is important to help the meat soak up all the flavor and make it very tasty. Once it starts boiling, I add half a tablespoon of salt and I give it a proper stir. Then I added just enough water to cook the chicken. Don't add too much water. Stir again, cover and let it cook until the chicken is tender. When the chicken is fully cooked, I open it and then I grill mine with the oven. You can also fry it if you like, but trust me, grilling will give it a smoky touch that takes the dish to another level. Now, in my pot, I've added 1 cup of palm oil. Once it is hot, not too smoking, add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 big sliced onions, and then I added some roughly blended scotch bonnet pepper, just enough to give it that spicy kick. You can adjust to your heat level, stir it around and let the aroma fill the kitchen. Now, into the oil sauce, add 2 stock cubes and a teaspoon of salt or salt to taste. Give this a good and proper stir. Make sure to stir this very well and leave to cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Now I'll go ahead and pour in my parboiled rice and stir everything together. Make sure to stir very well. Stir until every grain is beautifully coated in the rich palm oil sauce. This part is very important because it ensures both flavor in every spoon of the rice. Now I will go ahead and add the chicken broth. This liquid will infuse the rice with all those amazing spices and flavor from the chicken. Then I added about 4 to 5 tablespoons of crayfish. Yes, we are not holding back at all. Now add just enough water to cook the rice. Stir it and cover and leave it to simmer on low heat. The quantity of liquid you will use will depend on how long you parboiled your rice. So make sure not to overcook it or it will become too soggy. So I cook for about 20 to 25 minutes and the rice is almost done. Now it's time for the magic touch, scent leaves. I added a generous handful of scent leaves alongside the remaining crayfish. This is about 2 tablespoons of crayfish, and then I will stir everything together. I also sprinkle some water into it, and then I stir everything together. Make sure to stir very well at this point. So next, I will return all the chicken, the grilled chicken, to the pot, and then stir it together once more and leave the pot open like that to cook for just a minute or two, and our rice is ready. Just look at that vibrant color, the aroma, the tender grilled chicken. This is the Nigerian concoction rice you have been craving. Smoky, spicy, flavorful, and so satisfying. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and drop a comment in the comment section. And also subscribe for more authentic African dishes. A big thank you to our returning subscribers. Tell me in the comment section, will you serve this with plantain or zobo? See you in my next video. Bye.